you ready? I'm Nikki.
And I'm Brian.
And we are Drinking with the Codas.
Today, with St. Patty's Day coming up, we are making Shamrock Shakes for you.
Such a traditional Irish drink that would be perfect for you to make in your own home.
Yes, this Shamrock Shake is going to be almost identical to one that you could buy from a certain fast food restaurant, but it's delicious all the same.
So we have a few ingredients here, the main one being your vanilla ice cream. So we have some mint extract. We're going to add just a little bit to this drink. You can use peppermint extract, but it is going to give you more of a candy cane flavor rather than the spearmint for this drink. We have some green food coloring. If you want to do this more of a natural way, you could add spinach, but you don't have to.
And like any milkshake, we'll be having milk with this. We will also be topping it with Cool Whip and some green sugar sprinkles. All of this with a cherry on top. Well, let's get mixing. Well, there you have it. The key to this similar Shamrock Shake is the mint extract that you put into this.
So delicious and creamy and just beautifully presented, if I may say so myself.
And it's perfect to be able to enjoy it this St. Patty's Day.
Cheers!
Hey, if you made it this far, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube page. We would love to be able to enjoy future videos with you. And the key to an Irish accent you'll learn is about your R's and your T's, like time and rhyme. Well, that's all for today, folks. Enjoy this Shamrock Shake.